Magandang araw sa lahat ng mga viewers dito sa ating channel, Sakto sa Timpla. Sa araw na ito, ating pag-uusapan ang tukma o saktong pizza sa buwan at buwan sa bawat taon na dapat i-renew ang rehistro ng bawat sasakyan. Tandaan po natin na ang LTO ay nagpapataw ng additional charges na 100 pesos sa motorsiklo at 200 pesos naman para sa ibang klasing sasakyan bawat linggo for late registration. Ngunit, kung ang dili ay aabot ng ilang buwan, pero di naman lumagpas ng isang taon, ang multa ay aabot ng 50% of the motor vehicle users charge. This is also known as road user tax. Is paid upon registration or annual renewed of registrations of the vehicle with the LTO. The penalties due to expired or latter car registration can range from 2,000 pesos to whopping 10,000 pesos with a possibility of getting your car impounded. Ang tukmang araw o linggo at buwan sa pagrehistro ng ating sasakyan, ito'y nakabase sa second to the last digit and last digit of the plate numbers of the motor vehicle. Para sa karagdagang kaalaman, panoorin natin ang ating video presentation ukol sa exact date, weeks and months at kaibahan o palatandaan ng plate numbers of government, private, and for hire motor vehicles. Pero bago tayo magpatuloy, mag-like, share, and subscribe muna sa ating channel, Sakto sa Timpla, para lagi kang updated sa ating mga videos na susunod pa. Oops, wag muna, di pa tayo tapos. Panoorin pa natin ang video. Okay, let us continue. Scheduled week and months of renewal of motor vehicle registration. Month is based on the last digit of the plate numbers of motor vehicle. If the last digit is 1, represent January. 2, represent February. 3, represent March. 4, represent April. 5, represent May. 6, represent June. 7, represent July. 8, represent August. 9, represent September. And 0, represent the month of October. For the designated weeks of registration is based on the second to the last digit of the plate numbers. Example, if the second to the last digit of the plate number is 1 or 2 or 3, the registrations of the motor vehicle must be renewed every first week of the scheduled month. If 4 or 5 or 6, the registration must be renewed every second week of the scheduled month. If 7 or 8, The registrations of the vehicle must be renewed every third week of the scheduled month. If 9 or 0, the registration must be renewed every fourth week of the scheduled month. On the other hand, the current design of a plate numbers since 2018 alphabetical designation. The first letter is used to indicate a government-owned vehicle. Shown plate numbers are good example. Plate number 1 is BC 0942. 4 represent second week of the scheduled month, and 2 represent the month of February. Therefore, the registrations of the vehicle use this plate number must be renewed every second week of February. Another example, 982 is BC. It represents third week of the scheduled month, and 2 represent the month of February. Therefore, the registrations of the vehicle use this plate number must be renewed every third week of February. Another example, private vehicle or not for commercial use. The plate numbers and letters are black with white background. Shown plate numbers are good example. Example, PBC 4921. 2 represent first week of the scheduled month, and 1 represent the month of February. Therefore, the registrations of the vehicle use this plate number must be renewed every first week of January. Another example, 4950 PBC. 5 represent second week of the scheduled month, and 0 represent October month. Therefore, the registrations of the vehicle use this plate number must be renewed every second week of October. Let us continue. Public utility vehicle or for hire, example, taxis and jeepneys. The plate numbers and letters are black with yellow background. Shown plate number are good example. Plate number 5 sample, PBC 4993. 9 represent the fourth week of the scheduled month, and 3 represent the month of March. Therefore, the registrations of the vehicle use this plate number must be renewed every fourth week of March yearly. Last example, 124 PBC. 2 represent first week of the scheduled month, and 4 represent the month of April. Therefore, the registrations of the motor vehicle use this plate number must be renewed every first week of April. Hanggang dito lang po tayo. Maraming salamat. Sana nakadagdag ako ng kunting kaalaman sa inyo tungkol sa araw o semana at buwan ng pagrehistro ng ating mga sasakyan. Ang inyong lingkod, Mr. Rinaldo Daita, Registered Criminologist, Master of Management. Huwag kalimutan na mag-subscribe dito sa ating channel, Sakto sa Timpla, para lagi kang updated sa sunod pa nating mga video. Maraming salamat. Diyos mabalos, amigo.